Welcome to coffee time. Wow. It's not sweet enough, but that's fine because it suits my attitude, which is bitter. I don't even really know what I'm doing. I turned the camera on. So we're doing, that's what we're doing today. God, please watch past at least 2 minutes so we can get the watch time up. That would mean the world to me. Thank you. I bought this like silk almond creamer for coffee because I try not to drink milk, but we had guests recently and they take cream in their coffee, so we bought cream, and then I started drinking cream in my coffee again, just like when I was in high school, and it's a nightmare. Doing anything that I used to do in high school usually isn't a good thing. Yeah, I don't know. Emma Chamberlain was talking about her like non-dairy creamers, and then I wanted to be like Emma Chamberlain, and you know, when there's a famous Emma on YouTube, you can't help but feel like you need to compete. It's like a natural instinct. I need to compete with Emma Chamberlain and do everything she does but better so that I can be the superior Emma. Ugh. You know what? It's still too bitter. And this is gonna kind of make it worse, but also better probably. Hi, I'm doing my makeup. Could you not tell? Wow. Anyway, I'm covering up all my like pimples and stuff, but I have these marks that I have to cover up lately, and they're scabs. So I don't know if I can call it a mark if it's a scab, but it's a scab, and I have to cover them up with concealer, and it's kind of proving to be a fun little moment. The reason I have scabs on my face is not because I'm picking my acne, which I do, but this time it's not because of that. It's because I've reverted back to when I was a baby. And in my sleep over the past year, I've started like scratching at my face while I'm sleeping, but I get like these terrible like wounds because I scratch myself in my sleep. And then sometimes it wakes me up and I'm like, why does my face sting so bad? And it's because I'm bleeding. So in essence, I've kind of turned back into a baby. I'm the definition of still a child at heart. I'm trying to avoid with my foot the pile of worm poop that's on the floor. I don't know if I hate it or not. Doesn't matter. You can't see it once I have my glasses on anyway, so I need to change my scrunchie to match my outfit. Dry shampoo is something else. It almost looks intentional. Yeah, this grease is intentional. Howdy, right now I'm making a smoothie because I kind of got tired of being actually the laziest person ever. Anyway, I got tired of feeling like shit all the time for like a year straight, so I started getting back into making green smoothies. I used to really like making them every morning in high school. I'm contradicting myself. I said I shouldn't do things that I did in high school, but these were actually good. They make me feel good, and I actually don't mind the taste. I've gotten used to them by now. Anyway, I always go for a green smoothie, and I thought we could make it together. Oh my god. But I'm using a real blender. I normally use this little like cup thing that you like put on the blender and you go bish, bish, and it makes your smoothie. But I figured that it would be like horrifically embarrassing if I did, because I normally like stuff as many veggies as I can fit in here, and then I put it on the thing and it doesn't blend because it's stuffed so full, and I take it off and I start like shaking it like viciously, and then I like blend it again, and then then I add more veggies to the liquid because there's a bit more space now, and then I put the lid on, it overflows, I put it on the thing, smoothie goes everywhere, I take it off, shake it again, you know. So it's like it's really embarrassing. I don't know how else to describe it other than even I'm embarrassed to be me when I'm doing it. Recently, my go-to fruits are pineapple, strawberries, and banana. Add a little avocado. Next, you gotta add that good spinach, you know, like a good handful, boom. Then I add like 4 stalks of celery, I don't know. This is the only like kind of special thing I add to my smoothies, and it's like this fiber omega-3 like powder stuff. It's like flaxseed and all that. Because if you could choose a smoothie with fiber and omega-3, or choose a smoothie without fiber or omega-3, why wouldn't you just pick the one with fiber? You know, do proceed with caution because this is a decent like fibrous smoothie. So I don't know if you've ever had an excess of fiber before, but it's honestly not pleasant. So I don't want to say any more than that. We've already established it's a bowel thing. It's not, yeah. You gotta pick your battles, you know? I add the, because the fruit stops it from being bitter, but then it gets like too sweet for me. So I add the lemon to make it tart. I don't know, it's a science. I've been doing this for years. Please don't laugh at me. Then I top it all off with almond milk, because if you could pick water, or you could pick water that has some vitamins in it, pick the water with vitamins, you know? I don't even work here, honestly. One time I blended my smoothie on like such a high setting for so long because it was stuck in the blender that it turned hot, like not even warm or like room temperature. It was actually hot. So I made like a soup, and it was kind of horrifying, if I'm honest. I just created an extra dish because I'm just gonna pour it in this mini blender anyway. Time for the taste test. It's also really fun to add like kiwi and green apple. Those are really good. That's all I had to say. I drink these every morning. Usually this isn't like a breakfast smoothie, it's more like a lunch smoothie, because by the time I get out of bed, and it takes me like 3 hours to finish my coffee for some reason, it's usually like noon by the time I make this. Anyway, I've been really into making like Greek pitas, I guess. So like I've been cooking like Greek chicken and being a little like meal preppy mom, like going all the way. I'm one of those people who like, I will get really into a food and I will eat that food until I'm sick of that food. I'm basically an old man. My plants are starting to hit their growth spurt as spring's coming in, so I'm starting to like do a lot of prep for my plants, my little babies. And I don't know, it's just, I'm looking forward to the sun. I think it's gonna do wonders for everybody's mental health, especially right now in the world and how things are. I think we all need a little sunshine. Unless you live somewhere where it's always sunny and you're still depressed, in which case, I can't help you. Don't believe in that. Conversations will silently pull the strings and watch me come apart for you. One thing that's really great about me getting really into these pitas and starting to drink cream again in my coffee is that I feel like shit all the time. You know why I feel like shit all the time? Because I'm lactose intolerant. I'm pretty sure this onion is actually like rotten. So, good news. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm like kind of scared. I had to come out here and do like a spider check to make sure I wasn't gonna get ambushed, but I'm not totally confident that I did a good enough check. And honestly, I was kind of afraid to check, and I didn't want to know. So I wanted to know, but I didn't want to know. Walking right beside you, cut off the strings and put me down. Tell me what I'm missing. Oh, I never listened to the critics. I'm not totally sure why, but I had the sudden urge to make iced coffee. I don't know why I put this in a little dish, but for some reason that's what I felt like doing at the time. Look, she's so aesthetic. Oh my god, look. For realsies though. Kind of cool, kind of not. I feel like I need to absorb the sun vitamins. The sun vitamins. Oh hey, what's up? What is up? Is that right? Mr. Ant, you need to get off my leg. Sir, this is not your leg. I don't know, it's something that's weird to talk about, but my family's kind of been going through it lately with issues with my cat over the past couple years. She's been having like bladder issues, and this time when we took her to the vet, which we've been taking her to the vet a little more than I would like lately. Hello, you heard me talking about you? But this last time when we brought her to the vet, we found out that she has kidney failure going on, but it's I think it's so taboo to talk about death, and I feel like it feels like really inappropriate to even be talking about it. I don't know why, it makes me feel anxious. Like, I have had sugar since I was 4 years old. I don't even remember a time when she wasn't around, and she's so dear to our family. She's such a nice cat. Like, she's so sweet and loving and just quiet, although over the past couple years she's gotten so loud. Like, she wakes me up every morning now just like howling in the hallway. I don't even know how she knows I'm home. I guess she's just used to me being home all the time, but like, oh my god, she's purring so much. She's so happy to be held. But she's so sweet. If you're holding her, she's just as happy as could be. I think you don't like being held like that with your arthritis, but you were very happy for the contact. I think you were a little torn about that. It's gonna be weird, like, this is so poetic, but it's gonna be weird to see like sunny spots on the floor and not see her laying there in them, you know? I ordered these like small folders in 3 fun colors. Wait, oh my god, 3 fun colors, and there's a little smiley face. It says keep Essling I'm. Anyway, I needed some folders so I could divide the different themes I'm doing for pen pal stuff. Okay, this has got to be my pet peeve though. I mean, I'm not gonna return it, but my pet peeve is when folders, like, I don't know if you can see, but they don't have like a connection at the bottom, so they just touch the outside, which means they are all connected in a way. And that bugs me more than I can tell you. Oh, worm poop, good. I keep forgetting to clean that up. I am living in a pig pen of my own making.